Oh, hello there. Oh, hi. My name is Niall, and I'm a teacher at Chuk School. You wondering what I was listening to there, and what I was doing with this? Well, this is called a shaker. It makes this really nice sound, and you can use a shaker for music. Okay, would you like to learn how to make a shaker? Yes? Lovely. You don't need a lot of things. You need a bottle, which is empty. And you need some rice. Okay? And what we're going to do for our shaker is open up the bottle. Pour in. Whoop. Let's get this done properly. Pour in some rice like so. Let's put the lid back on. Shall we listen to some more music and see how our shaker works? And there you have your shaker! So, that's a shaker maker. Thank you. Goodbye.